Here's how to become an affiliate for OfferLab. Now, if you haven't heard much about it yet, Russell Brunson just announced a crazy new platform that he's bringing out, and it is launching. The main launch is there on September 3rd, and there's a lot going on. The link down in the description below is going to take you to this page, which is going to allow you to promote one of the biggest launches of 2025. There's a lot going on with OfferLab. So a few things. First of all, when you go down into the link below or down in the description below, click that link. You can watch the full video by Russell. But let me hit a few things that are important here. One, OfferLab is going to do something both for, this is kind of the back end office, both for affiliates and for creators who already have their own products. If you have your own products, you can put those products into OfferLab, connecting it to whether it's ClickFunnels or Go High Level or any software that you want. You can add your product and sell it directly in OfferLab, and that's going to allow a lot of affiliates to get access. And basically, affiliates are going to go promote your stuff on autopilot is the idea. For affiliates is huge because now you can actually mix and match products from different people to build the perfect funnel for you. So there's a lot of cool things there, but you're here because you want to become an affiliate for OfferLab. Again, use that link down in the description where you're going to get 100% commissions on the $500 upsell, which he does address right here. You're also going to get a percent of if you bring in an affiliate or if you bring in a creator who sells their own product, you are going to get a percentage of that processing. So you get a percentage of the merchant fee. Incredible opportunity. If you have not already signed up, go down into the description, grab the link, watch this video by Russell Brunson, and sign up because you are not going to want to miss this launch.